Hello, welcome back to Coding Keywords. Today I'm going to show you why Excel sometimes misses duplicates in your data and how AI can help you clean those up better and faster. Let's get started. Here's a small demo data set of contact information. Looks simple, right? But if you look closely, you will see there are duplicates that aren't exactly the same. For example, the name John Doe appears several times, but with slight differences. Now let me show you what happens when we use Excel's built-in remove duplicates tool. I'll select all columns and run it. So I go to Data tab and I click on Remove Duplicates menu. So it's going to ask me which columns I should use, and I'm just going to go to use the name column. And one duplicate detected and removed. Notice how Excel removes some duplicates, but if you scroll through the data, you'll still see John Doe showing up multiple times. That's because Excel looks for exact matches. Even small differences like capitalization or extra spaces make Excel think those rows are unique. It doesn't consider similar or close enough data. That's a limitation when working with real-world messy data. This is where AI comes in handy. AI tools can analyze your data more intelligently. They can detect near duplicates by looking at similarities across multiple fields, even if they don't match exactly. Here's a quick example using ChatGPT. So here I have copied my dataset to ChatGPT, and this is the prompt to remove the duplicate rows based on the name column and to give me the results. So this is the results from ChatGPT. AI has identified the duplicate rows and given me this. It has also checked for differences in capitalization and spaces, and this is the result. As a bonus, you can also use SQL queries, Python codes, or Power Query to remove duplicates. So this is SQL query to create a table and insert data. And here we have the code to remove the duplicates. We will check the original data set, remove the duplicates, and then we will preview the data set again. And this is the result we have. And then moving over to Python, this is the code to import pandas, create our data frame, and do a simple removal of the duplicates. Here we have the result in Python. Let's move over to Power Query. So now I'm going to load the data tab, table range. This is the data set in Power Query. I'm going to select the name column and then the home tab and remove rows and remove duplicates menu, and this is the results when the duplicates are removed based on the name column. To wrap up, Excel's built-in duplicate removal is useful but limited. For you to remove duplicates properly in Excel, you have to clean your data first. Using AI tools like ChatGPT, you can catch those tricky duplicates in messy data that slip through in Excel. This is helpful if you need to work fast. If you want to try out the dataset and the demo code, check the links in the description below. If you have found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future tips on AI and data analysis. Thanks for watching.